Welcome to the top picks. The best 3/8 gas line is probably one of the most crucial components in your home's gas appliance setup, and choosing the right one can make all the difference. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of 3/8 gas lines, exploring their uses, and helping you navigate the options to find the perfect fit for your needs. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a homeowner looking to understand your home systems better, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to make an informed decision. Number 5. 6 and 20-foot nylon braided fuel line kit, black. This fuel line kit is perfect for various applications. It's designed for optimal performance and durability, ensuring a reliable fuel delivery system. This universal fuel line fits a wide range of vehicles. Whether it's for your car or marine engine, it's suitable for racing cars and motor racing bikes. The hose is made with woven nylon and stainless steel braiding. The fittings are made of T6061 aluminum, providing both flexibility and a cool racing appearance. It has a working temperature range of -100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and can withstand pressures up to 500 psi. The fuel line also has good flame retardancy and excellent corrosion resistance. The package includes a 20-foot nylon braided hose and various swivel hose ends. Professional installation is recommended, and it comes with a free exchange or return policy if leaks occur. What we like. This fuel line is constructed with high-quality woven nylon and stainless steel braided, offering excellent corrosion resistance. It's designed for a wide range of applications, from automobiles to marine engines. If you're looking for a durable and versatile fuel line for your racing car or motor racing bike, this is the one for you. What people say. The product is well made and functions as intended. The gas line was easy to install. The fittings are of good quality and seal well. Number 4. 18 3/8 aluminum fuel line tubing. Introducing the 18 Performance aluminum fuel line tube. This is a durable solution for your fuel system needs. It's designed to enhance your vehicle's performance. Crafted from 3003 grade aluminum, this tubing ensures exceptional durability. The 3/8-inch diameter and 25-foot roll provide a robust solution for efficient fuel delivery. Designed for optimal fuel intake, this coiled tubing enhances vehicle performance. It supports superior flow, making it ideal for high-performance applications. This fuel line is compatible with various makes and models. Whether you're a professional mechanic or an enthusiast, it meets the demands for precision and reliability. The package includes a single roll of 3/8-inch diameter aluminum tubing, extending to 25 feet. It's perfect for replacing existing lines, ensuring a seamless upgrade process. With a wall thickness of 0.035 inches, this metal tube ensures structural integrity. It's tailored for those seeking precise and reliable components in their fuel systems, enhancing overall automotive performance. What we like. This aluminum fuel line is crafted from durable 3003 grade aluminum, ensuring exceptional performance. It's designed to enhance fuel flow, making it ideal for high-performance applications. If you are looking for a reliable fuel delivery system for your automotive projects, this is a great choice. What people say. This tubing, in 3/8, is perfect. Forms easily by hand but holds its shape. This is 3/8 aluminum tube coil just like all the other stuff you normally find, but this product seems to have a protective coating, and the alloy seems stronger than other choices. Other brands seem to sell a much softer tube with no noticeable finish. This alloy is also very weldable, TIG, and bendable to small radii. Highly recommended for fabricating custom assemblies. Number 3. AMI Parts 48 Flexible Gas Line Kit. This kit includes a 48-inch flexible gas line, perfect for various appliances. It's designed for easy installation and provides a secure connection for your gas-powered devices. The kit comes with multiple adapters, making it suitable for gas dryers, stoves, and water heaters. You can easily connect it to different appliances with the included fittings. The corrugated stainless steel design allows for easy bending and installation in tight spaces. Its bright yellow color makes it easily identifiable and safe to use. This gas line is built to withstand high and low temperatures, ensuring long-lasting performance. It's also 100% leak tested for your safety and peace of mind. Installing this gas line is straightforward, requiring only a wrench and Teflon tape. Remember not to wrap tape on the yellow bellows side for a secure connection. Always wear gloves during installation. We offer a 180-day return and exchange policy. Our professional after-sales team is ready to assist you with any questions. Contact us through Amazon, and we'll solve your problem within 24 hours. What we like. This flexible gas line kit features a corrugated design for easy bending and installation in tight spaces. It's suitable for various appliances like gas dryers and stoves. If you have a need for a flexible and easy-to-install gas line, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The stainless steel gas line is robust and durable, offering excellent resistance to corrosion and wear. Installation of this gas line kit is straightforward, thanks to the included connectors and fittings. The 48-inch length allows for ample reach, making it easy to connect appliances without straining or stretching the gas line. Number 2. AMI Part 72 Flexible Gas Line Kit. Introducing the AMI Part 72 Flexible Gas Line Kit. This kit is designed for your gas dryer, stove, or water heater. It's a reliable and easy-to-install solution for your home. The kit includes a 72-inch flexible gas line with various connector adapters. It comes with everything you need for a secure and efficient gas connection. You'll find it easy to set up. This gas line kit is suitable for a variety of appliances, including gas dryers, stoves, and ranges. Make sure to double-check the connector sizes to ensure a perfect fit for your specific machine. The stainless steel gas line is highly flexible and easy to bend, even in tight spaces. Its bright yellow appearance makes it easily identifiable. The design ensures long-lasting performance. Installation is simple, requiring only a wrench and Teflon tape. Remember, do not wrap tape on the side connected to the yellow bellows to prevent leaks. Always wear gloves for safety. This gas line kit comes with a 180-day return and exchange policy. If you have any questions, our professional after-sales service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. Don't hesitate to get yours today. What we like. This flexible gas line kit features a corrugated design for easy bending and installation in tight spaces. It's suitable for various appliances like gas dryers and stoves. If you have a need for a flexible and easy-to-install gas line, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The stainless steel gas line is robust and durable, offering excellent resistance to corrosion and wear. Installation of this gas line kit is straightforward, thanks to the included connectors and fittings. The 48-inch length allows for ample reach, making it easy to connect appliances without straining or stretching the gas line. Number 1. Stanbroil 12 Gas Line Connector Kit. This gas line connector kit is designed for easy installation. It's user-friendly and simplifies the setup process, saving you time and effort. Made with high-quality materials, this gas line is built to last. The flexible design allows it to withstand high temperatures and ensures long-term reliability. The dimensions are 1 2-inch outer diameter and 3 8-inch inner diameter with a length of 12 inches. It's the perfect size for your fire pit or fireplace. The stainless steel pipe features a sleek black coating. This not only enhances its appearance but also adds an extra layer of protection. The kit includes multiple fittings for your convenience. It comes with 1 2 female flare x 1 2 female flare fittings, plus 1 2 male flare x 1 2 female NPT, 1 2 male flare x 1 2 male NPT fittings. This product is CSA certified, ensuring it meets safety standards. It's suitable for both NG and LP fireplaces and fire pits with a 1-2 connection hub. The design includes a staggered pitch to eliminate whistling. This ensures a quiet and enjoyable experience. What we like. This gas line is easy to install and highly durable, featuring high temperature resistance. It's CSA certified and designed for NG or LP fireplaces. If you like a reliable and safe gas line for your fire pit or fireplace, consider this one. What people say. The product is exactly as described and fits perfectly. The gas line is well made and durable. The fittings are easy to connect and provide a secure seal. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.